everyone, my name is Vanessa F. Colon, together with my partner Rachel Uro. We are thrilled to present our discussion on marketing environment analysis and management information systems. Now that I've introduced myself, let me share the objectives of our discussion today. Objectives. First is to understand the concept of marketing environment. Second, to discuss the internal and external environment analysis. And lastly, to understand the concept of management information system. Now that we have covered the objectives, let's delve into the introduction. The marketing environment includes all the factors that affect how a company interacts with its customers. Some of these factors can be controlled by the company, while others cannot. Marketers must adapt their strategies based on these changes to meet customer needs effectively. They use environmental scanning to gather information about trends and challenges in the market. Let's move forward by examining the meaning and definition of marketing environment. The marketing environment consists of both internal and external elements. Internal factors, these are aspects within the company like its culture and policies. While external factors, these include broader influences such as economic conditions, competition, and social trends. These factors can be divided into two levels. First is microenvironment. Microenvironment have small forces like employees and companies' policies that directly impact operations. And lastly is the macroenvironment, larger societal forces that affect the business as a whole. Now that we have defined the marketing environment, let's move on to the internal environment analysis. Internal environment analysis involves elements that shape how a company operates. Following are the important elements of internal environment, which have to be analyzed properly. First is mission statement, what the organization stands for. Second, company policies, guidelines for decision making. Third is organizational structure, how roles are arranged within the company. Fourth, culture and climate, the overall atmosphere and values of the workplace. Fifth is resources, the people, finances, and tools available to the organization. Now that we have covered this foundational concept, I'll hand it over to my partner Rachel Uro, who will continue our discussion on the next topics.
So this management philosophy is something the manager can control and influence, shaping how they interact with their team and handles various situations. Leadership style. So this indicates the approach a manager takes when involved in problem solving or decision making process. So it reflects how many coworkers are included or consulted in these activities, showcasing the manager preferred method of leadership, whether it democratic, autocratic, or transformational. External environment factors, microenvironment. So this includes the immediate factor that directly affect an organization operations. So it is the elements are closely related to the day-to-day activities of the organizations and can significantly impact its performance and strategy. Macro environments, so this encompasses broader forces that affect the entire industry or markets. So it is the factors provide a wider context within which organizations operate and must be considered when developing long-term strategy. The concept of management information system or MIS. MIS provides information that organizations require to manage themselves efficiently and effectively. So this MIS is a system designed to support decision making in organizations. So it focuses in efficiently collecting, processing, and documenting data. So this information is people oriented and varies based on organizational needs. So timely processing and communication of information for its relevance. So it helps organizations manage themselves effectively, enhancing decision making and overall performances. The components of management information and system, computer hardware. These are everyday computing tools used by individuals. They include desktop, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Procedure. So these are the methods or technologies used for transmitting data over distances. They include both wire connections like coaxial cables and fiber optics and wireless connections like microwaves and radio waves.